The economic war, Russia's oil ban, and its implications. Russia is currently engaged in two wars, a kinetic one in Ukraine and a financial one that often goes unnoticed. While the attention is usually focused on the military conflict, the economic situation in Russia is just as crucial for the overall outcome of the war. In September 2023, the Russian Ministry of Energy implemented an oil export ban, which had significant macroeconomic implications. The next few minutes will delve into the basics of the oil ban, the weakness of the ruble, Russia's efforts to stimulate the currency, inflation reports, and the deeper logic behind the oil export ban. The oil export ban. On September 21, 2023, Russia banned gasoline and diesel exports to all countries except Belarus, Kazakhstan, Armenia, and Kyrgyzstan. This move directly affected countries like Brazil, Turkey, India, China, and Saudi Arabia, which had been covering Russia's supply glut. The ban was a response to the need for fuel within Russia, particularly during the harvest season. Russia is a major supplier of wheat globally, and the timely harvest was crucial to prevent crop loss. Additionally, the ban aimed to ensure domestic stability and prevent rising fuel prices, which could lead to public unrest. Inflation and the weak ruble. The economic sanctions imposed by the West caused disruptions in supply chains and scarcity of goods in Russia. This led to inflation, as the value of the ruble decreased and prices increased. To control inflation, Russia's central bank raised interest rates, encouraging people to keep their money in banks and reducing spending. However, higher interest rates also made it more expensive for businesses to borrow money for investment, hindering long-term production growth. The official inflation rates reported by Russia have been met with skepticism, as there are incentives to misrepresent the true inflation rate. Implications for the war. The economic challenges faced by Russia, including inflation and a weak ruble, have implications for the ongoing war in Ukraine. The oil export ban was a temporary measure to ensure domestic stability and prioritize the war effort. However, it also highlighted the economic strain Russia is facing. The ban has since been eased to refill the war purse, allowing companies to export a portion of their diesel. The economic situation in Russia, including inflation and public dissatisfaction, may impact the Kremlin's decision-making and the overall outcome of the war. Conclusion. While the kinetic war in Ukraine garners most of the attention, the economic war being fought by Russia is equally significant. The oil export ban, inflation, and the weak ruble all contribute to the economic challenges faced by Russia. The implications of these economic factors on the war's outcome and the stability of the Kremlin cannot be ignored. Understanding the complexities of Russia's economic situation is crucial for analyzing the broader geopolitical landscape and its potential impact on global affairs.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.